Minerals are literally everywhere, and scientists have found that we're accidentally creating new ones all the time, apparently. But do you even know what a mineral is? Because I don't. They are defined as a solid substance with a definite chemical formula, a crystalline structure, and are naturally occurring. Remember the natural part for later. You might have seen some of these beauties before: amethysts, quartz, tourmaline, azurite. These are all minerals, and they're super mesmerizing. You can also find minerals in your grocery store. They can be nutrients like sodium and magnesium and calcium. Minerals aren't just pretty to look at. They're essential for humans to function properly. And they form when atoms of one or more element join together and a crystalline structure results. And most importantly, minerals are forged in nature. They are born in the crucible of the Earth's interior. So when magma cools or liquids evaporate, a mineral is born. There are around 4,000 different types of natural minerals, but according to a study published in American Mineralogists, 208 of them aren't exactly born of natural causes. They are here on Earth thanks to us humans. These are man-made minerals. I mean, to clarify, they did form naturally, but in man-made places like mines and smelters and industrial contamination sites. Not great, but also cool. When we dig into the Earth, we're opening up areas that wouldn't naturally be there, allowing water and air to interact with the soil. Industrial activities cause chemical reactions. We inadvertently create something new when this happens. Mineralogists are super pumped about this. For instance, this mineral, andersonite, is found in the tunnels of abandoned uranium mines in the Southwest. The sandstone that lines the tunnel walls interacts with mine water, creating this crust of yellow and green crystals. Andersonite has extra cool points because it glows under black light. I know, it's awesome. And this pretty one is simoncoleite, and it's found in old copper mines. This other newly classified material is Abner Right, and it was found on the not-so-happy wreck of the SS Cheerful, a steamship that sank almost 150 years ago. But when the seawater interacts with the ship's cargo, which is tin metal, Abner Right popped up. Mineralogists are calling the appearance of these man-made minerals a punctuation event, which are notable periods of time in Earth's geological record. Researchers peg this one at the start of the Industrial Revolution to about present day, which isn't that long. The first punctuation event was called the Great Oxidation Event. It happened over 2 billion years ago. Back then, there was a massive increase in the amount of oxygen in the atmosphere, spurring the creation of 2/3 of the minerals that we see today. The fact that this punctuation event took only 300 years for man-made minerals to appear, kind of a big deal. We've done more to diversify minerals on the planet in such a short period of time than the Earth did on its own over 2 billion years. And that's led some to suggest that we are living in the Anthropocene, or the age of humans. Some environmentalists think our impact on the planet is so profound that a new geological epoch needs to be declared. But this has been hotly debated in the science community. It's really up to the international geologic community to decide, and they're looking for something called the golden spike, or a marker in the environment that determines the start of a new epoch. A working group has been basically studying this since 2009 with no real answer yet, so these newly found minerals might be another dot in their data. Whether or not these man-made rocks herald the beginning of the age of man, it's hard to deny that we are definitely leaving a permanent mark on this planet. And speaking of changing the planet, humans might have actually caused a river to disappear. It's pretty weird. You can learn more about it in this video here. What about you? Do you think these pretty rocks signal the beginning of the Anthropocene? Let us know down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and come back for more Seeker.